Hey, let's jump into drawing Silver the Hedgehog step by step by step. It's gonna be easy, completely for beginners, and that's pretty much it. Let's get started. I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna curve right here for the bottom of the kind of brow portion of it. I'm gonna pull up right here into the eye area and curve up into one of his little, I don't know, this is like really long tendrils at the front. Gonna pull back, curve underneath, down, curve up right here for the tendril on that side. Gonna go pull back a bit, gonna go over here. Well, actually I'm gonna pull back a little bit more, and around this side I'm gonna throw triangle here for the ear, another triangle there. Gonna go over here this section, curve down, right on for the eye area, curve underneath right there for the top of that nose, curve right here for the far side eye, line down, out, curve in for kind of that nose there. The nose and like Sonic's nose tend to look like this sausage shape, to be honest. That's the way I see it, with a circle in there and then you just fill in the rest with black. Gonna go down here, curve underneath, and I'm gonna extend that line right there. Let's go over here. Kind of a gravestone shape for the eye, curve over here for the other eye. You're not really gonna see it much. Circle, then fill in that dot. Over here, curve underneath, and curve around this back here. Line up here for a little bit more of a, mean look. I want to look kind of angry, kind of like serious. That mouth, like he's just annoyed right there. I'm gonna go over here now and I'm gonna draw another of these tendrils to the front of the head. Curve down. I'm gonna go here, another one. And one more over here. Back over here, down. All right, a dot over there you can see in the far side eye. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull one giant spike. Line up a bit here. All right, you got that spike right there. This is gonna be just a head, okay? Just a head. So we're gonna throw more detail into his face now that we have this. Right off the bat, we're gonna throw the far side ear over there, and then the inner shape for the far side ear. I'm gonna throw a little bit of a darker line here on the inside, and I want him to make him look a little, again, angrier, more serious. I just kind of like him with that kind of demeanor. Gonna throw a liner here toward the bottom, and it's gonna be kind of like, you can see like just a little bit of the form of this. Same thing goes for this. Throw another line right there, and I'm gonna draw them on almost all of them a little bit. It's really just showing off a little bit of the shadow pattern, and what you can do here is I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker, and that's gonna be for style's sake. Over here as well, make them a little thick to thin, to kind of make it look a little bit more like a stylish shadow. Go over here, thicker line here at the top. Line over here. And see how it gives it like a different look? Do you see that? That kind of shadow? I mean, not shadow the character, but you know, that type of thick to thin line right there. You can do the same thing a little bit here to give it a little bit of like, almost like that's causing a cast shadow, that spike or that tendril. I'm not really sure what to call it. Line over here on the side, maybe kind of for the outer side there. Pulling in maybe a little notch. I'll make him look angry, so I'm gonna maybe throw a little notch right there. Like he's really furrowing his brow. You want to make it look like he's serious, like, yo, what's up? Or maybe a little more dark here on this side. And maybe add the corner of his mouth here, like he's really upset, right? If you really want, you can draw maybe his teeth right here. See how it's open? You can have like him gritting his teeth right there, like, man, he's mad. All right, and like I said, these dark shapes right here always add to it. Like these dark lines will completely add to the style of him right there. Maybe throw a thin line right here for the top. And it's funny because this one I'm going way more into the style of the character. I normally don't do that, right? Into the artistic style. But I think it's important, and I think I have to have a video of you guys learning that. I'm posting a big Sonic page on Sonic for I'm gonna put the collection of all the videos I made for the Sonic movie in a playlist, and I'm putting that I'm gonna make a Sonic template. I'm literally gonna make a template for Sonic characters, for, you know, well, Sonic himself. So you can go check that out on sketchingeasy.com. I'm gonna put it there, not yet, but pretty soon. Probably within the next couple of days. I'll send an email out about it, and yeah. Line over here. Throwing a thicker line on the outside, like I said. Don't forget, by the way, if you find the stuff I do here worth your time, please hit that subscribe and click the bell notification. I put lots and lots of stuff, okay? I'm putting 3 new drawings every single day. And it's pretty hard to do that, honestly, to put 3 new drawing tutorials every single day. A little bit darker there. And there you go. I want to thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this style of drawing. Thank you. You are amazing. Remember, stay positive. If you made it this far, absolutely say hi to me in the comments, and I will know that you made it this far. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.